How to make an appointment with the Public Communications Center. There are multiple ways you can do it. First, click on your internet search bar and type in Towson Public Communications Center. Then, click on the first search result. Another way you can do this is by searching towson.edu. Once you've gotten to the Towson homepage, type Public Communications Center in the search engine. Then click on the first search result. One other way is to search towson.edu/PCC. Now that we're on the Public Communications Center page, you can scroll down to visit the PCC and click Make an Appointment. If you don't already have an account, click Register for an account. Under email address, type in your Towson student email only. Continue filling out the rest of the form by typing in your first and last name, your class, and your major. Choose your desired password and enter it twice. Make sure to check all of the appropriate boxes before scrolling down and pressing Complete Registration. After you have successfully made an account, log in with your student email and password. To the left of the screen, there is a column of mentor names listed under the dates, and in each row, there are time slots you can choose to book your appointment with any available mentor. Once you click on a time slot, you'll fill out the appointment form by typing in the course number, the instructor's first and last name, check the assignment, and type in when you are scheduled to give your speech. Continue filling out the form by clicking on what you'd like to work on during your appointment and why you're visiting the Public Communications Center. After, you have the option to leave comments and add up to 3 files if necessary for your appointment. If you've chosen to attach a file, make sure to type in the document title. By clicking Create Appointment, you successfully completed the form. Now you can view your existing appointment, which gives you the option to cancel or edit the appointment. The PCC also offers appointments that can be scheduled based on different classes, programs, or events. For example, if you click on the drop-down menu listed under Limit 2 and click DSS, it will take you to another list of available mentors and time slots. Again, you can view your appointment details by clicking on the drop-down menu next to your name and click My Appointments. You can view the details of your appointment at any time. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you can call the PCC at 410-704-5083 or email us at pcc@towson.edu. Hope to see you soon.